Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about marine fishing gears which are used in the India. This is our third video related to the fishing methods in the India. So in this video we will discuss about, or we will focus on the marine fishing gears or the gears or the nets which are used in the purpose of fishing for the catching of the fish from the sea or marine areas. That is called as marine fishing gears. In that, this marine fishing gears, these fishing applications employed in sea fishing include the nets of various sizes and designs. Various designed nets are used for the catching of the fishes from the marine area or from the seashore of the seashores of the India. It may be made of cotton, silk. This net may be made by cotton, silk, or hemp of synthetic nylon, or terylene-like fibers are used for the making of the nets. Different type of nets are made by the cotton or the silk or the hemp of synthetic nylon or terylene-like fibers are used to making the nets. Different types of meshes or nets are used in accordance to the size of fish to be captured. The main types of nets are, in that different type of nets are used in this area. That is, first type, fixed, that is the stationary nets. There are some fixed or stationary nets are used. These nets are fixed in the tidal zones. These nets are fixed in the tidal zones of inshore waters during low tides. The nets are fixed in tidal zones during low tides in inshore waters. To keep these nets in vertical position, they are having wooden poles. So here is a diagram of this stationary net. We can use the wooden poles to fix such a type of nets. To keep the nets in vertical position, wooden poles are used. These wooden poles are used, and there are also having floaters and sinkers. That floaters and sinkers are used to properly used of this type of nets. So here are some type of sinkers. Here on the upper line of this net, the fisherman can use the floaters are used, and towards the lower line we can use the sinkers, due to which these nets are fixed. They can be remain in vertical position. The shape of the net may be rectangular or conical. Rectangular or conical type of this type of nets. Rectangular or conical shape of these nets are found, and these nets are used along the coast of Bengal. These new nets are used along the coast of Bengal and Gujarat coast. They are having, with the high tide, these nets are fixed, and fishes swims into the net. The fishes swims into the net, and when when the water resides with the low tide, they get trapped. So when the water level is decreases at the time of low tide, the fishes are entangled in this type of nets. These nets having different local names. These nets can be known by different local names in like Panch Kathia Kol Jal, Panch Kathia Bar Jal, like that. In Bengal, Orissa, different type of local names are found in different areas. The nets are called by these different local names. This is about the first type of net, which is called a fixed or stationary type of net. Then again, they are having second type of net which are used in the marine water, that is bagnet or boat sin. Bagnet or boat sin. The bag-like net, bagnet or boat sin. This is a conical shaped net, and is a bag-like net, conical shaped and bag-like net, and this can be operated by two catamarans. Catamaran is a type of boat. With the help of that boats, this can be operated in Andhra Pradesh. As the boat progresses, the fishes trapped in it. As the boat progresses, the fishes are trapped in this particular type of net, that is called as boat seine or also called as bagnet. This can be also provided with the floaters and sinkers. These are also having the floaters and sinkers. And to remain the net in position, these floaters and sinkers are used. It can also fixed to stakes. Sometimes this can be also fixed to stakes or poles. By fixed nets, the moving fishes may be caught. By a fixed net, moving fishes are caught. They are having different type of nets, that is called as Mathia Koliwala of Kerala. This Mathi Koliwala is a specialized bag net used to catch oil sardine. This type of boat which is used in the type of net which is used in the Kerala can be used to catch the oil sardine type of fishes. With the help of this Mathi Koliwala of Kerala, this type of bag net, oil sardines fishes can be catched. Again, there is having different second type of this type of bag net is having name dole. This dole is used. It is a long conical net with a wide mouth. This dole is a long conical net with wide mouth. This is a long conical net with a wide mouth, and the mouth is fixed by bamboo poles, and tapering end is held on a boat. And this type of net is used where the water current is high, and this type of dole is used along the Mumbai and Gujarat coast. This is what about the second type of fishing gear, marine fishing gear, called as bag net or boat seine. Now the third type, which is called as dragnet. Dragnet, or also called as shower seine, or also called as beach seine. It is a type of net called as a dragnet, shower seine or beach seine, which can be operated from beach, the beach, so called as beach seine or shore seine. It is called as Berjal in Orissa. In Orissa, it is having a name Berjal, and Peddawalai in Andhra Pradesh, and Periyawala in Coromandel coast, and Karawalia in the Gulf of Mannar. The carrying capacity of such a type of dragnet is about 100 kg. Carrying capacity is about 100 kg, and the carrying capacity of this bag is about 100 kg, and its wings are longer. The wings of this net is longer. Wings are longer and narrower. The upper line of bag is provided with floats. Upper line is provided with the floats, and the lower lines having the sinkers. The floaters and sinkers, or floats and sinkers, are also used in this type of net. During the operation, one wing is stretched. One wing is stretched far from the shore, normally at right angle to it, until the wrap end of other wing remain just at the beach. The one end is remain on the beach, and second one, the wing is stretched, and the extended end is then brought back to beach by making a large arch. Second wing is then stretched towards on the beach, making a large arch and encircling a big section of water. There is another type of dragnet which is called as rampani. Here is another type of dragnet that is called as rampani. Rampani net, which is the biggest shower seine net of Indian seas. Rampani net is the biggest shower seine for capturing shoaling mackerels and oil sardine in coastal Karnataka and Goa. So rampani, this can be employed for capturing shoaling mackerels and oil sardine in Karnataka and Goa. This was about the third type of net which are used in the marine water of the India, that is called as dragnet or shower seine or beach seine. Next, number fourth, having a name Driftnet and gill net. Driftnet and gill net is also a type of net used in the catching of marine fishes. The drift net, these nets are wall-like net. This net is a wall-like net, and they are having floaters. Which are attached to keep the net vertical in position. There is having a floaters and also having the sinkers. Sinkers and floaters are used in this net, due to which this net remain vertical and in straight position. This type of nets are commonly used in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. This type of net used in the Tamil Nadu and the Gujarat coast. The drift nets are the floating type of gill net. This is a drift net, is a floating type of gill net. Floating type of gill nets, and common along the west coast in the Tamil Nadu. So we are discussing about the different type of nets. Next, number 5th, cast nets. Cast net. This cast net is a flat, circular and large sized net. Large sized, flat, circular and large sized net used to capture small size fishes. They are used to capture small sized fishes. This particular net having a string. These are having sinkers. They are also having sinkers. These sinkers are along the margins. Attached along the margins. This net is cast by sweep of the arm. When it spreads, fishes are caught in it. This can be operated by a single fisherman, having a string and operated by a single fisherman. And when this net spread over the water, and the fishes are entangled in this net, and that can be collected with the help of the fisherman. Then by a single fisherman. Then number 6th type of net, that is called as trap net. It is again a stationary type of net. The fishes are trapped, which move into it through the guarded entrance. So here is having an entrance, and lastly there is having a blind spot where these fishes are catched or trapped. There is one type of trap that is called as fake type. Is a modified trap net with a mouth, and it is a modified form constructed to form a long cylindrical bag, with a wide open mouth, and other end is a blind. It is operated in shallow water. Such type of nets are operated in the shallow water. The movement of the fish takes place from this mouth, and then these fishes are caught in this or trapped in the blind spot, or in that blind area of this net. Again, they are having deep net. This deep net is operated from a boat. This deep net operated from a boat to catch shoaling fishes, or the schooling fishes. To catch the schooling fishes, this deep net is used. These are operated from boat. These are operated in shallow sea water, to capture shoaling mackerels. Schooling mackerels can be captured by this deep net, which is used in the shallow water and operated from the boat. And here the last type of marine fishing gear, that is called as long line and hooks. Line and hooks type of nets are also used, and this is an ancient type of device generally used in offshore fishing. Offshore fishing made up of cotton threads, and they are also having floaters and sinkers. Floaters and sinkers are used here, due to which this type of net remain vertical in position, and they are having baits. They are having the baits, hooks, and to that hooks the baits are attached. Baited, the hooks are baited hooks attached to the line, attached to the line, so that large sized fishes comes to engulf the bait and caught by the hooks. So here I was having the hook, and to that hook the bait is attached, and the large fishes come to engulf, come to eat such type of bait, and then can be caught to that hooks or attached, entangled to the hooks, and all these hooks are then attached or entangled to the line, so called as line and hooks. So here we are discussed about the different type of marine fishing gears which are used particularly in India.